A little short video about the Dyson DC17 Animal. A common issue that people have when they've taken this apart is trying to put this elbow, pivoting elbow. It slides on the back and twists. There's like a big rubber bushing in there. And on the bottom side, the position of the tilt determines whether the suction is going to come from the vacuum head or whether the suction is going to come from the wand. So this is the pivot arm. And this is the latching mechanism here, these little clear tabs. They can sometimes pop out. So if they do, you need to work them back in and snap them into place so that the little tabs stick into the plastic housing, the gray plastic. And then you also want to make sure if you're holding it upright like this, come up and look down here, the little gap in the plastic faces downward toward that little tang on the bottom. And you can see there's a little gap in the plastic right where my thumbnail is. That has to face down. So to get it all back together, we're going to rub a little bit of lubricant, either oil or lightweight grease or silicone, on the surface there. And we're also going to clean and lubricate the rubber seal bushing. Start with the vacuum cleaner laying flat on its side with the head fully extended. Position the elbow over the gasket. You can see one of these tangs is going to be at the bottom. That's going to go on the bottom here. Push it down snugly so you feel it fits, so that all three tangs get over the tabs. Twist it clockwise, you'll hear a little click, and then it'll bottom out when it hits this little arm right there. Once it hits that arm, you're going to take and press these two, or the rubber seal, down over those arms. And if you're not strong enough to do it, you can take a screwdriver and you can pry it a little and push it down that way. I used two hands and I was able to do it manually. Now you've got this little arm here with a tab on it that has to lift up over that ridge right there. And you can see it popped up over the ridge there. And then the final step to make it work, flip it up sideways, grab the end and snap it up into place. Here we go, all set. In the upright position, the vacuum is diverted through here and up through your wand tube. In the vacuuming position, where you like put a little weight on the front and tilted it down, you can see how this arm, the elbow, actually pivots and moves up and down. Then now it's lined up with the hose pipe that picks up the dirt from the power head. Pretty easy once you see how it's done, and I had to get a little help in doing it myself, and I thought I wanted to share it with you to make your job easier if you ever have to do this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.